Hello everyone, my name is Rixie. In this video, I really just want to share my super lazy skincare routine, and this is the final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like the vibe so far, and if you are into skincare content, let's get right into the video. I have a new cleansing balm that Rituals just released, and this one comes in a glass container, smells amazing, and it's really perfect if you have dry skin. The key ingredients are moringa and shea butter. If you didn't know, moringa comes from India, and it's a nutrient-rich plant that is full with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is anti-aging, and it also has antibacterial properties as well as skin brightening properties. And of course, shea butter is deep moisturizing, rich in fatty acids, is healing and soothing, anti-aging, and it also has the power to heal scars and stretch marks. So after a long day at work, I go ahead and apply this beautiful melting cleansing balm to my skin while it's still dry, and I just massage it into my skin, and this instantly melts all my makeup away. By the way, moringa and shea butter together have this beautiful scent that really reminds me of lemon and lavender together, which is so calming and perfect for you to get ready for a beautiful night of sleep. This routine is perfect if you are like me. I admit I don't always go to bed with a fresh face. Sometimes I end up just laying down in my bed and I fall asleep with makeup on, and then I wake up in the middle of the night and I wash my face and take a shower, and then I go back to bed. Go ahead and comment down below if this also happens to you sometimes. This product is great because you don't even need that much, and again, double washing is important because when you wear a full face, you need to wash at least twice, and the first time around was great. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and this is the final result after the first wash. Of course, around my face, because of the baby hairs, I didn't really penetrate that too much, but as you can see, 90% of my makeup is melted away around the eyes. It's just great. It doesn't burn, and it just feels amazing. My skin feels so soft and moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and go for round 2 just to make sure that my skin is super clean. By the way, go ahead and find me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. If you like the vibe so far, also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my next skincare and makeup and fashion videos. Now go ahead and really massage it very well around the nose, around the eyes and the cheeks and the lips, and melt all that makeup away. Now the cotton pad test, again around the face and under my chin. I still have a little rest of makeup, but you can see my eyes and face are completely clean. My skin feels fresh, and I really prefer drying my skin with a cotton pad because it is more hygienic, because towels can trap bacteria and dirt which can cause breakouts. The cotton pads are also gentle on the skin, and they just reduce friction and prevent irritation and micro tears in the skin. Again, if you are gonna use a towel, make sure it's soft, clean, and only for your face. Now I'm pretty much clean and fresh entirely. I took a shower, and this is the final result. Yay! I'm so happy. The next step is using a toner, but I will be using the eye makeup remover instead. I really love this eye makeup removal from Rituals because it's just so gentle on the skin. This step is very important because you close the pores and prepare your skin to receive all the moisture needed. This gentle eye makeup remover doesn't have a particular smell, but it feels fresh, and the key ingredients are rose water and holy lotus. So who am I without the Bakuchi oil? Nobody, seriously. This step you cannot miss. This is the newest Bakuchi oil that Rituals created. I spoke about Bakuchi oil in my previous videos, and this is an essential step that I cannot miss. Bakuchi oil is anti-aging, is a alternative to retinol. It's great for skin elasticity, and it's also great against dark spots. It leaves your skin instantly glowing. The next one in line is the face serum. This one has the Hyaluronic Activator complex, and again, this product feels so fresh on the skin. It's like a multivitamin juice for the skin that gives so much moisture and also fights the first signs of aging. And again, this step you cannot miss either. It's important to layer the products so you get the best results, and you don't even need that much, which means everything will last so long. And my skin feels so moisturized and glowy. And the key ingredients are rose petals and holy lotus and Hyaluronic Activator complex. It's a 24-hour gel cream, and it also offers refills, which means you don't have to buy all the time a new one. And again, this tub is porcelain. Be careful, do not let it fall, otherwise it will break. I made that mistake once. I adore the consistency of the cream as well as the smell. The combination of rose and holy lotus is just so rosy but not so strong, because Rituals doesn't have perfumes in their creams, but it's just so organic and it's just amazing. You can see how my skin is glowing. I mean, come on, you must try it. And if you do, don't forget to leave me a comment below. And now to finish this video off, we must moisturize them lips, and for me the NYX fat oil is the only thing I want. This one is amazing, leaves my lips moisturized, and I'm ready to go to bed. So again, my skin feels so moisturized and ready to rejuvenate itself from everything that I have to go through on a daily. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this super easy skincare routine for the lazy girls. All you need is one product to clean and a few products to moisturize, and voila, you got it.